In an earlier video, I described how to create a compelling structure for your presentation. In this video, I want to offer you 5 variations on that structure that I have used successfully in my presenting career. The first structure is pain and pill. First, describe the problem, the pain that I may be feeling, in such a way that you demonstrate clearly that you understand what the problem is and how it affects me. And secondly, describe the solution that you're offering, the pill that will solve my problem and take away my pain. By all means, wrap this in an engaging opener and a clear call to action to close, but the pain and pill structure is one of the simplest and therefore most compelling and powerful structures for a simple business presentation. The second structure is what I call the B.I.D structure, standing for background, issues, and decision. In the background part, you summarize the current situation and what is most important to consider within that context. In the issues section, you spell out what the problem is, what the changes are that are causing the problem. And in the decision section, you spell out either the decision that you have made, if you're presenting your own conclusions, or the decision that you recommend I or your audience will make. My third presentation structure has 5 components that spell out the word P.R.E.S.S. First, make your point up front. Spell out your position. Then give your reasons. Explain why you have taken that position, why your point is correct. Next, illustrate your point and your reasoning with a compelling example. Then, summarize your argument and restate your position. And finally, suggest. Give a call to action that suggests what we do next. My fourth presentation structure, rather like the pain and pill structure, is particularly well suited to a sales presentation. And I call it the hook, line, and sinker approach. The hook part is about hooking your audience, making them want to listen to you. You do this by appealing to something that interests them or establishing a need or a problem that they have. Next, you throw them a line. You provide a solution to the problem or a compelling offer that addresses their need. Finally, the sinker, a convincer that demonstrates why your offer or why your solution is sound and will solve their problem. And often this could be something like a testimonial or an example or a case study or some demonstration or proof. My final presentation structure is P.I.O.U.S. And again, this has 5 components. First, state the problem. What's happened? And second, state the implications. What does the problem mean? Next is options. What are your audience's choices? And then you can urge them to make a particular decision. This is your recommendation, and critically, you need to explain why your recommendation is the right one. And finally, spell out the steps that your audience needs to take to implement the decision that you have recommended. And of course, the most important step that you need to leave them with is what to do next. And that's the call to action that you end your presentation with. And if you like these 5 presentation structures, then hit the thumbs up to show me. And I'll be creating loads more great management courses content for you, so also subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of it. I look forward to seeing you in the next one, and in the meantime, keep learning.